Migago mar weche tuke kaunti ma Taita Taveta ochako chenro mar semo kweth mar rowere mondo mi obed mabor kod timbe mag maundu kod timbe mag njore kaka achiel kuom yore mag rito ngimagi mar paro. Shadrack Mutungi, ma en jatelo e skul tiegruok ma Coast Institute of Technology, okoni gise iko chenro makare mar rowere mawuok e kaunti no e yor ohala kod romo machal kod mane gibago bang' wuok ni kwan mar rowere madonje tim njore omedore ka koro sani gisechako somo mag obwongo ne atamalo 20 mar rowere kaunti no.
Wale tayari wako pale nje, tunajua kuna wengine hawajaweza kufikiwa na mambo kama haya. Kwa hivyo tutashirikiana na zile vikundi zote za kina youth na even hizi colleges, kwa sababu tuko na college kila mahali, ili tuweze kufikia as many youths as possible in the county. Kwa hivyo hii ni kitu ambao ni nzuri, and we shall roll it out to the whole county and reach as many youth as possible. Sometimes inaweza kuwa ngumu kwenda ile physical meeting kwa everyone. Nafikiri with the time we'll be innovative enough even to launch the online trainings, in online capacity building and the online meetings. We talk to all the youths in the county.
So I guess that the best thing the county government and my office in specific, as in which can do, is with the graduates who are outside there, we will just hold their hands. We will walk with them, we will talk to them, and we'll give them support where they need.
Even the Bible says, watu wangu waangamia kwa kukosa maarifa. Sasa tunkuja hapa kutoa haya maarifa so that wakija kwetu as employers wawe na, tuseme wanaita siku hizi 411, wawe na 411 kuhusu ni nini huwa kinaangaliwa wakati mtu akijiwasilisha kwa maombi ya kazi.